Blessings to you today, my sisters. I wanted to send a couple of words of encouragement today because I'm noticing the troubled hearts and the troubled souls going down my timeline. And I just wanted to give a word of encouragement to my sisters, especially my single mothers out there. I know sometimes you can go through different situations and circumstances and you can feel alone and you have no help and you have no support. Everywhere you're going, everybody's telling you no. You're educated, you have bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, and yet sometimes you have to work two part-time jobs to make ends meet. And I'm just here to encourage you, to let you know that don't feel alone. God is here. He's with you, even when if you don't feel like He is. He's Emmanuel. He's with us. Joshua 1:9 tells us, "Have I not commanded you to be strong and of good courage? Do not be afraid nor dismayed, because the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." So I want to encourage you today, ladies, to just hold on. Your season is coming. All the work and the toil that you spent working and grinding and going to school and educating yourselves and taking care of your seeds, your children, and you're staying positive and you're helping other people. All of those things, that energy that you're putting out there is going to come back to you. So hold on. And the very things that you say that you want, the very things that you seek, is also seeking you. So I just want to encourage you to hold your head up, to know who you are through God, to understand your purpose, and to press forward, because your season is coming. I love you, ladies, and more importantly, God loves you too. Be encouraged.